Hello, today's video is a little tip about creating prompts and then putting them into ChatGPT by using the dictate function in, let's say, Microsoft Word or indeed Google Docs. So rather than typing out a long prompt, just dictate it and then copy and paste. So for example, just going to Microsoft Word here and I'm going to hit dictate and I'm going to ask it to type up a prompt. So please create 10 course titles that are catchy for my online course, which is all about confidence on camera. So there is my prompt. Copy, paste it into ChatGPT, and away we go. So you can see 10 great titles here. Camera confidence, unleashing your on-camera potential. Great prompts. Now, what you could do is also include rhyming and alliteration, which makes for even catchier titles. So I'm just going to back into the document here, and you could update the prompt, or you could go back in and click on the little pencil there, which means you can edit the prompt. So using rhyme and alliteration. And save and submit. And it tries its best there to create even catchier titles, either with alliteration or with rhyming, which makes for even better titles. Then you can copy and paste it back into, let's say, Word, and it brings the formatting with it. So a tip there would be just to Control A if you're using Windows. In other words, select all and just select clear formatting. And then you can actually hit numbering there if you wish to renumber them. Okay, so it's actually numbered the first point there. So again, just a quick, effective way to type up a prompt by using the dictate function. And you're actually going to create better prompts as well, because your verbal instruction is more likely to be like a human conversation than a typed up prompt for ChatGPT. So please let me know how you get on with these prompts, and we will be in touch. Don't forget, we are live and online this Friday with a 60-minute masterclass. So just going to pop in the link here. It's johnnybyrne.com/live, which will bring you to this page where you can pop in your email address and you'll get a notification about the event. So it's ChatGPT Mastery. It's on this Thursday, April 20th, depending on when you watch this video, of course. But if you've missed it, if you're watching this video afterwards, come back to the very same address, which is johnnybyrne.com/live, and you can pop in your email and you'll be notified about upcoming ChatGPT Mastery events and workshops, and you'll also be notified about great prompts. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you get on, and I'll talk to you soon.